What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna make a quick video talking about building friendship and relationships, and having a community as a nomad. Because as nomads, we are most of the time traveling alone. We're not traveling with our friends. So we need to build some type of like community if you want to. So I'm gonna give you some advice on what to do before you move to a city, and how to go about finding a community of expats as a nomad. So the first tip I can give you guys right now is being part of these Facebook groups, um, regarding the city that you're going to be in, and joining these groups and just asking questions. See, some of these cities I've never been into. I've never been to Prague. I've never been to Madrid. Been to Rio. I've never been to Korea, but I'm part of these expat groups just in case when I do plan on visiting these cities that I'm informed and I can ask relevant questions. So right now I'm in Bogota. So let's jump into Bogota expat group and let's see what's going on in there. So just be part of these groups, man. Just whatever city you're going to, be part of this group. Let's see what Radu asked. Hello everyone, a bit weird question, but earthquakes are my biggest fear. Oh shit. Yeah, so yesterday and also today, I felt like the building shaking, but I was like, man, am I tripping? Because it wasn't shaking like crazy. Because I've been in Mexico City when there was an earthquake in 20. I want to say that was 2020. It was like a little earthquake that happened. But like the building was shaking in my apartment. I'm like, am I tripping? And so I don't check the news. I don't really ask people, what's going on. Like I don't know what's going on. So it was an earthquake, I guess. So that's interesting. So I didn't know that Bogota had earthquakes. It was a mini earthquake, like small little 5 to 10 second like shake that I felt, but interesting. I didn't know that. See, so very informative, right? So these groups are very informative. You can learn some stuff. Sometimes people are asking stupid questions, but for the most part, you're gonna get some good value out of these groups. Like I said, you could just go on these groups and you click on the event tab. Usually, there's something going on in some of these cities. Never been to Peru, but if I just go to the Peru, they got Ice Church. I don't know what this is. Stand up comedy. I went to a stand up comedy show in Bogota. It was all in Spanish. Couldn't really understand a whole lot, but it was a good experience. But this is May 11th. So just make sure that that they got the correct dates going on. Like what? But yeah, so go on Facebook, you can find some people that want to hang out, and yeah, you can go like that. Another place we can go to is meetup.com, right? Meetup.com. Meetup.com. We are not in Atlanta, but for example, let me put Warsaw, Poland. For example, we go on Warsaw, Poland, and we can just go on one of these events. So networking, drinking. They having a networking drinking tomorrow at 12 p.m. and 12 people are going. So that's an opportunity there for you to meet some people. Girls' night out. That's kind of fucked up that I can't join that. And yeah, so you can join, meetup.com. I'm in Bogota. Let's see what's going on in Bogota tonight. And en Bogotá, hoy en la noche, ¿qué tiene para mí hoy? Macedonia, English, it's language exchange. You have something going on at Meeting House. Um, yeah, so you got some places. Sorry about that, guys. I'm a bit clumsy, but yeah. So you got places. So I'm gonna be in Cali next week. Let's see what they got going on for me in Cali. But this is a good opportunity for me if I wanted to hang out with some people, to go and meet some people and meet some locals, some foreigners. So they got a culture exchange on Saturday. Will I be there for that? No, I won't. I will be flying. But so yeah, that's meetup.com. The next thing we got here is an application called couchsurfing.com. I don't know if you guys are familiar with couchsurfing, but you can come on couchsurfing. And like I said, I'm gonna be in Cali this weekend. So let's see. You have people like, let's say if I went to Cali, you have people that want to hang out. So you have 11 people wanting to hang out. It's an interesting app. You have people that want to host. This is usually for backpackers who want to sleep on people's couches. I never got down like that, but to each his own. But you can also use the app to go to events. They have a monthly couch surfing Cali meeting every first Saturday. And this weekend or next week, there's a festival going on in Cali, and I will be there. I will be vlogging that. So stay tuned to that. Whale watching. So they have a lot of events. Look at the people that are going. Like, 56 people are coming to this one. I don't know how many people are coming here. 8 plus, 7 plus. So this is an opportunity for you to go and meet some people, you know, in these cities, and you can just click on I want to hang out now, and you can hang out with some people. So 19 people want to hang out right now. John wants to go to salir, relax. He wants to relax. Wonder what that means. Nicole wants to go to planetario. And yeah, so you have a lot of people that want to hang out and catch a vibe. So for my Americans, don't forget to download WhatsApp because it's very popular outside of America. We're the only ones that are not using it as much. So download WhatsApp. That's how you're going to communicate with everybody. And when I was in Mexico City, I was part of a flag football team. So find some stuff that you're interested to do back home and see if you have an opportunity to do those same things abroad. For example, if you like to dance, be part of some dance clubs. If you would like to learn languages like me, uh, go to the language exchanges. Even if you don't like languages, still go to these language exchanges and meet people. I went to a language exchange last week. I met an Australian girl. I met a guy from London, and we're just, having a great time, enjoying each other and, catching a vibe. So find stuff that interests you outside of your country and do those things. See if you have those things available to you abroad. Okay. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here. If you have any questions, let me know and see you in the next video.